cordless power tool batteries. How many times have you come across them and they're dead? Nothing, no power at all. Just fast blinking lights telling you that there's something wrong. Well, I'm here to tell you, stop throwing your money away. Save hundreds, because we're gonna bring those power tool batteries back to life.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, here's our first problem. This is a Dewalt XRP 18 volt battery. Just wiggling it around, doesn't seem to be catching, nothing's working. There's definitely something wrong. Let's try it in the drill. Yep, no power, nothing. So let's see what we can do. Alright, here we have a Milwaukee 18 volt battery. Let's use this. This is gonna be our booster. And what I mean by that is we're gonna use this Milwaukee battery to boost all of our other dead batteries. Right now I'm taking an insulated spade connector, putting these in all the terminals. What I wanna do is I'm gonna take a voltage meter and I'm gonna test each terminal to see what our voltage is. This battery has separate power cells. So I just want to make sure that when I use this as the booster that I'm plugging positive to positive and negative to negative. The last thing I want to be doing is shorting out a good battery to boost an old one. Okay, so let's test our voltage. 16, 15, 16 again, 17, 15. If it looks like I'm testing the same terminals over and over again, it's because I am. I'm just double checking to make sure what my voltage is on each terminal and I have the right terminals. The last thing I want is this battery blowing up in my face. I mean, it probably won't happen, but you never know. They do make a pretty good spark when you're connecting the dead battery to the good battery, and you're gonna see what I mean by that in just a few minutes. Now, I'm not getting nothing on this, no voltage, nothing. Now I made up a set of wires, short jumpers to go from the bad battery to the good battery. On the left is the male spade, on the right is the female spade. Now I'm just connecting, like I said, negative to negative and positive to positive. Now we're gonna let these sit like this for a few minutes. I'd say probably for around 5 minutes or so, and then we'll try it on the charger. But let's get a closer look so you can see exactly what I did here with the wires, which are regular number 12 stranded, by the way. As you can see, nothing's touching. You don't want the positive and negative to touch. It looks all clear. So the reason why, quick explanation about the charger. It has a certain threshold, and if the battery is too dead, the charger will not read it, and that's why you'll get a bad battery light on your charger. Now I'm checking the voltage on the battery. It's been sitting for a couple of minutes. I got 20 volts. It's a little high, but we'll see what happens. Now on this battery, this is another XRP 18 volt Dewalt. This battery's been sitting for about 4 or 5 years and it hasn't been used at all. Same problem, but only this time it's shorted out on the inside. As you can hear on the continuity meter, there's definitely a problem. But that's probably for another video. We're gonna skip that battery for now. Okay, so here we have another Dewalt. This is an 18 volt also. This is a nano battery. This one is always giving me problems since I've had it. Let's take it out, see, make sure there's no shorts. Okay, nothing on the continuity meter. Just checking the meter, make sure everything's working. No, nothing. So we'll see if we can give it a boost. But in the meantime, since we need the Milwaukee battery, let's take off the XRP and put that on the charger and see if it holds. See if our theory's right. It should work as soon as we plug it into the charger. So let's see what happens. Let's plug it in. And look at that. It's working. It's holding the charge. Let's see if it stays like that. Give it a few seconds. Check the LED. Yep. Alright. Back to the nano battery. So let's check the voltage on this. See what we're getting. Let's see. 0, 1 volt, 0. I think we're going to have 1 volt on it. That's pretty low. 1 volt. Wow. Let's see if we could bring this one back. Alright. Yep. 1 volt. So now these terminals on this battery are a little bit different. So what I did was I took the female spade connector and I bent the terminals out so it fits. As you can see, it'll snap right on. And this one is going to pack a little bit of a punch. Let's plug it in. Whoa, easy, Phil, don't get scared. Alright, here we go. The reason why we had a big shock like that was because the other battery was completely dead. So, alright, we have it charging now. I had it on here for about, I'd say 20 to 25 minutes. Let's disconnect it, we'll plug it in the charger, see what happens. Keep our fingers crossed. And voila! It's taking the charge. Look at that. Nice. So we'll let this sit for a few minutes. Back to the XRP. It's fully charged. And we'll take it and we'll see what we got. Nice. I love it. Don't have to buy that battery. Alright, let's check out the Nano. The Nano's been sitting for about 25 minutes. Oh, nothing. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Alright, had my finger on the lock button. Nice. And what would even be more nice if you hit that like button, because I know you're liking what you see so far. Plus, I'm saving you money. Now we'll check out the next battery. The next battery is going to be an actual Milwaukee. This one, as you can see on the charger, it's not getting a charge. I'll pull it out. I'll check it. I'll press the button, see if we're getting anything on the cells. No, nothing. No lights at all. No power in the battery at all. Completely dead. Plug it back in. Make sure it's not sitting out of the charger the wrong way. Nope. Nope, dead. Alright, so let's give this one a shot. We'll see what happens. We're going to use another Milwaukee battery that's fully charged to charge this one. So on this, we're using jumpers with a male spade connector on each side. Let's see if we get any spark. Always be careful when you plug it in your terminals. Watch the end of your wire. Make sure it doesn't touch anything else. Now let's see. Nope. I'm not getting no spark at all. Okay. So we'll see how this takes. We'll let it sit for a few minutes. Then we'll plug it into the charger. Alright, as you can see, this is not the charger. I plugged it in. Nothing actually happened. I wasn't getting no charge on it. So I took it back, and now I plugged in every single terminal, and I let it sit now for about a half an hour. We'll unplug it now, and we'll see how it goes. Plug it back into the charger, and hopefully it works. Okay. Nice. It's charging, and it's already got 3 bars on it. I mean, I did have it sitting for a little while, so... Well, there you have it, guys. So, now you don't have to buy any batteries. Just keep doing this method, but be careful as you're doing it. And remember, even though it's low voltage, you could still get hurt, so be careful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember, learn as much as you can. Learn everything, so you too can be a know-it-all.